Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel mga trops. Kung bago ka pa lang, please click the subscribe button at notification bell para lagi kang updated sa boxing news. Isang malungkot na balita mga trops. Sumakabilang buhay na nga po ang gumanap na Apollo Creed sa pelikulang Rocky na si Carl Weathers. Binawian ng buhay si Carl habang natutulog sa edad na 76 years old. Marami namang mga fans ang nalungkot dahil dito. Ang kapwa-artista naman niya na si Sylvester Stallone na gumanap bilang Rocky Balboa ay nagbigay ng mensahe para kay Carl.
Hello everyone, today is an incredibly sad day for me. I'm so torn up, I can't even tell you. I'm just trying to hold it in because Carl Weathers was such an integral part of my life, my success, everything about it. I give him incredible credit and kudos because when he walked into that room and I saw him for the first time, I saw greatness, but I didn't realize how great. I never could have accomplished what we did with Rocky without him. He was absolutely brilliant. His voice, his size, his power, his athletic ability, but more importantly, his heart, his soul. It's a horrible loss. And I'm standing here in front of this painting because it was probably the last moment we were ever in the ring together, and I'll never forget it. He was magic. And I was so fortunate to be part of his life. So, Apollo, keep punching.
Sa kabilang dako naman po tayo, WBO top 10 contender na si Elijah Pierce. Hinamon ang kakapanalo lamang na si Angelo Lillo kontra sa ating kababayan na si Magic Mike Plania. Nagpost si Pierce sa kanyang social media account at dito ay sinabi niyang gusto nito makalaban si Lillo kapag umakit na siya sa 126 pound division. Sa ngayon ay umuusbong pa lang ang pangalan ni Pierce sa 122 pound super bantamweight division kaya sayang kung aakyat agad ito ng timbang. Parehas tinalo nila Pierce at Lillo si Mike Plania sa pamamagitan ng knockout sa round 3 kaya interesting din ang matchup na ito panigurado. Si Lillo ay may kargadang 23 wins, 1 loss at 11 knockouts. Ang talo ay nagmula kay Stephen Fulton kaya masasabi natin na may tira rin itong boksingerong ito. Si Elijah Pierce naman ay may kargadang 18 wins, 2 losses at 15 knockouts. Parehas hindi pa nananockout ang dalawang ito mga trops kaya masasabi natin na matibay din itong mga to. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang balita na yun mga trops, bigyan nyo naman ako ng isang suntok sa like button dyan. Shoutout muna tayo sa mga pogi nating mga trops. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.